Wicked, wicked. Jungle is massive. Wicked, wicked.
To your next lesson from Teach ICT. This time we are moving on to computational thinking, and this is your first lesson that you're going to have a couple of lessons on this. This time you're not going to actually have to log on to the Teach ICT website to do anything. So there's no online based stuff, but all of the worksheets and PowerPoints and resources that you're going to need for the lessons are available on class charts for you to open up and download. Obviously you need to complete all of the tasks, take pictures, record evidence, and then submit that back up to Teams for me, please, so that I can look through it and mark it for you. So, computational thinking, lesson 1. For your first task, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open up the one PowerPoint that's called Introduction. Read through all that information there. Once you've read through that information, you need to click on the link that's below for the BBC Bite-Sized Learning, and you just need to watch that video there for me. So that video will look like that. So you're going to click and you're going to watch that video by there, okay? It's a couple of minutes long, and once you've done that, then I need you to come back to your work that you're doing, okay? Then, once you've watched that video, you open up the second PowerPoint called Decomposition Explained. Again, you need to open that and you need to read through those slides. There's only 2 slides there for you to read, but you need to read through those, okay? Then on to something that's a little bit more fun. So the next task you're going to do is for you to decompose a complex problem into smaller parts. So decomposition, that's a key component of computer science. So there are 2 documents you're going to need to open for this. There's a Word document called Build a Tower, and then there's a PowerPoint called Building a Tower. You need to open up both of those, and then you're going to need to follow through the instructions. So those PowerPoints, or that PowerPoint itself, Build a Tower, this one, okay, you're going to need to open up this, and you're going to need to go through the instructions that it's asking you to do. And also, you're going to need to click on the Build a Tower Microsoft document as well, which is by there, and open that up. So once you've obviously completed that task, recorded some information and some data, make sure that you take some photos as well, and all of that eventually is going to need to be uploaded to Teams. The next task after that, you need to open up a PowerPoint that is called Designing a Game. And again, very similar to the last task, you need to follow through the instructions and record any information or evidence and submit that. You can either do it hand-drawn, take photos, or record it on PowerPoint or Microsoft Word and submit it that way. So again, if I flick over to designing a game, you've got your PowerPoint, and you need to just go through the instructions of what you need to do, okay? And record that evidence. If you're struggling with any of that though, for that particular task, a few ideas on this slide in terms of what you might need to do with that task, okay? Then your final task for this lesson, there's a Word document that has a link on it, and it's that one. No, yeah, it's that one. So you click or put this link into your web browser, okay? And it's a small test. So with that test, you need to get all of the answers correct. At the end, you need to take a snip or a screenshot of that, put it onto a document, and make sure that that gets submitted up to Teams as well. If there are any obviously questions, then email me, usual email, and I'll get back to you and try to help you out. Make sure, please, it's very important that everything you do for each task, you do record it and you do submit it in, so that I can get a clear understanding of whether you're understanding what you need to do and whether I need to put in any other interventions for you to get the most out of your learning whilst you're at home. Okay, thank you.